In this video, we would be looking at this array of three-eyed monsters. We would investigate how this array could represent multiplication and division facts. Let's get started. In this array, we have three rows. 1, 2, 2, and 3. So you can write 3 times, and we will be creating a number sentence or an equation. Now we will look at how many columns are in this array. As you know, an array represents the rows which go side to side or across, and columns go up and down. So this is the first column, second column, third, and fourth. So we have four columns or four groups, 3 times 4. So we can write 3 times 4 is going to give us total number of these aliens, and we know that we have how many aliens? 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 aliens. We can write that. 12 aliens. I hope it made sense to you. Now we need to explore if we can make groups of 3. As you saw earlier, we have made 3 groups of 4. We have made 3 groups of 4. Let's write 3 groups of 4. That means 3 lots of 4. Let's figure out if we can make 4 groups of 3. In that case, we need to look at these monsters one more time. This one is going to be our first group. Let me draw. This is going to be our second group. The next one is our third group, and this one is the last group. So we can write 4 times 3, or 4 lots of 3, or 4 groups of 3. 4 times 3 is going to give us, what is it going to give us? It's going to give us 12. So if we swap numbers, even then we will be getting the same answer. This is called the commutative property of multiplication, that you can multiply these two numbers in any order and you will get the same answer. That means you can say 3 times 4 is 12 and 4 times 3 is 12. Now we will explore how could we use this array to derive division facts. We have learned that we have 12 aliens in total, so we can write 12. We can explore now if we can make smaller groups of these three-eyed aliens, and we are going to make equal groups, or we are going to organize equal groups of these 12 aliens. How could you do this? You can pause the video and think. That means we will divide these aliens into equal groups. This is going to be the first group. This is the second group. And this is the third group. Okay, we have made 1, 2, and 3. 3 groups. So we have divided these 12 aliens into 3 equal groups, and each group is having the equal number of these aliens. So we have three groups. We can write 3 here. And how many in each group? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 aliens in each group. Is there another way of dividing these aliens into equal groups? We have made the groups, 3 groups of uh, 4 aliens. Now, can we divide them into groups of 3? Let's check this out. Okay, so we have 12 aliens in total, and we are going to make equal groups. Once again, we can make groups like this. Okay, so we have 3 aliens, 1, 2, 3 in this group. So we need to make another equal group which is going to have only 3 aliens. Okay, so this is first group, this one is second group, and then we can make another group of 3 aliens, and this is our last group, which is fourth group of 3 aliens. So how many groups have we made? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have made 4 groups. This is another way of dividing these aliens into equal groups. So we can write, because we have 4 groups, we can write 4, and then how many aliens are in each group? We have 1, 2, and 3. 3 aliens in each group. So this is our answer. That means 12 divided by 3 equals 4, and 12 divided by 4 equals 3. You have learned how to derive multiplication and division facts using an array. I hope this makes sense to you. Bye for now.